Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get started using your InspectionWorks account. This series of videos will cover how to get started using InspectionWorks on your Borescope device and how you can review data in InspectionWorks on the cloud and generate reports. A few things that you'll want to do before you get started on your Borescope device. You'll want to go to the main menu and then go to Settings and make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. So go down to connectivity on the left-hand menu and click connect under Wi-Fi networks. Another optional option is to set your inspections to automatically publish when you upload an inspection to InspectionWorks. What this means is once you perform an inspection and it's pushed to the cloud, you'll be able to see the data, and everyone who has access to the account will be able to see the inspection data. Otherwise, if you upload it in draft mode, you are the only one that's able to see that inspection until you manually publish it. So for this, I will be using automatic publish as my inspections are uploaded, but you can choose to do either.